Over past 100 days, Adani's new port is facing protests from peoples in Kerala. So here are the few things you should know about it. Adani Group got the project of construction of new port in Thiruvananthapuram situated in Kerala in 2015 and it was expected to be developed by 2019, but due to COVID pandemic and various reasons it was delayed. But now when the construction of port is resumed, over last 4 months people have been protesting against the construction of port. But why are people protesting against the construction of new port? The protesters state that the construction of new port will result in widespread of sea erosion and will destroy their livelihoods. Reports also state that the protests have been fueled by the Catholic Church situated therein. Also, the protesters, mostly led by Latin Catholic Church, have erected a shelter therein which is blocking the entrance of port. Even though the High Court of Kerala in last week of November have ordered to resume the construction of new port, but due to the standoff between the policemen and the protesters have led to violence and injuries to the peoples on both the sides. So let us know what is the reaction of Adani Group on such controversy. According to Adani Group, the port is located near to the major international shipping routes which will facilitate better trade and will boost India's economy in future. This port is strategically very much important because it will challenge the flow of traffic from Dubai, Singapore directly to Colombo. Instead of going directly to Colombo, the ships will be taking a halt on this port situated in Thiruvananthapuram. Internally, the port have connection with the regional and national highways as well as the port is situated nearby the railway networks. But the government standpoint on the whole controversy is clear to facilitate the construction of port as it will facilitate in the better economic development. So after knowing the whole scenario, what do you think? Who is right? Is the government who is granting permission for construction of port or either the protesters who have been protesting to save their livelihood? Let us know in the comment section.